Bulk pack of 100 clear plastic bowls. Premium clear plastic bowls made of hard and durable plastic. Each dessert bowl is round and holds up to 6 ounces of food. They arrive in 2 factory-sealed sleeves of 50 right to your door and are an ideal solution to any party, special event or occasion. Disposable mini and recyclable bowls. No matter what your needs, these clear plastic bowls have you covered. Whether you decide to reuse them or toss them, these 6 ounces plastic dessert bowls are easily washable and great for multiple uses. Elegantly designed for any event, the JoyServe Clear Plastic Bowls are perfect for everyday use at home and great for salsa, dips, desserts, serving bowls, weddings, catering, ice cream, buffets, birthdays or special events. Because they come in packs of 100, you will never have to worry about running out. High quality. BPA-free, these clear plastic bowls are exceptional in every way. They are made of thick premium plastic material that is BPA-free. That means they are durable, harder to break and non-toxic. With so many uses, it's easy to see why everyone loves our small plastic bowls, and you will too. Unbeatable value, great price. Get more for your money's worth with our small clear plastic bowls. At JoyServe, we offer you the best quality at an even better price. These plastic bowls for parties in bulk are premium quality, lightweight, washable, disposable and always backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. These bowls are sturdy and the perfect size. I'm a first-grade teacher and we are learning about plant needs. I bought all the materials needed, but the bowls to catch the water under the plants were too expensive. When I saw these bowls, even though I knew they are not meant for that project, I figured I was going to try them for the 36 students' pots. Let me tell you that the bowls are working out just wonderful. It's doing the job as well if not better than the ones that are meant for the pots. They are the perfect size and sturdy,